Hi, and welcome back to another Hungry Cuban Adventure recipe video. Today we're going to put something together from your leftovers. So what do after you had that delicious ham that's been all eaten up, and you have this beautiful bone, and you just don't want to throw it out or give it to the dog? You want to do something with it. So today I decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little split pea soup. What I love about a bone is you can do anything. You can do beans, you can do split pea soup, you can do lentil soup, you can do a variety of different things. But I had some lentils here, and we're going to make a split pea soup with some carrots and celery, potatoes, onions, garlic, and I actually bought a little extra ham for a garnish just in case we don't have enough ham on the bone itself for the soup. So let's get this recipe started. What I didn't tell you at the beginning of the video is I have a secret ingredient. And if you watched the making of the Instapot split pea soup, you might have seen it. Yes, I used coconut milk. It adds a creaminess and a different flavor profile like you've never had before. Try it, don't knock it. I think you're gonna really, really like it.